New developments today in the murder trial of a woman accused of starting a fire that killed a 5-year-old boy last year.
A co-defendant in the case who previously pleaded guilty to arson taking the stand today. Authorities say Malakai Stovall was sleeping in his bed at his home on Portland Avenue when Taquida Hendrix intentionally set fire to the front porch of that duplex. Last week, Tiakayla Hendrix, who accepted a plea for her role in the deadly fire, testifying against her sister.
13 WAM's Natalie Calzatoni has more on today's testimony and spoke with the little boy's family today. Natalie.
Yeah, Karen, Matt, co-defendant Roy Chambers, who was previously in a relationship with Taquida Hendrix, took the stand. Prosecutors stated in court if Chambers agreed to testify truthfully, he would be sentenced to 9 years in state prison instead of 25.
None of it should have ever cost a life, let alone a 5-year-old boy's life.
The mother of 5-year-old Malakai Stovall continues to seek justice for her son on day 5 of testimony in the murder trial of Taquida Hendrix.
Every day I wake up with a piece of me missing, and all of the back and forth about who's innocent or who doesn't belong on trial does not change the fact that there's still a child that's gone forever.
Co-defendant Roy Chambers, who pleaded guilty to arson in this case, took the stand Tuesday. During his testimony, Chambers said the day before the fire, Taquida Hendrix asked him to check on her father. Chambers allegedly went to the father's house and saw a bunch of women with bats outside who eventually attacked the man. Chambers testified the fight was over a car that Hendrix's father was supposed to buy. In court, it was stated the women involved in the fight were Malakai's duplex neighbors.
Whatever fighting or violence that's happened between my old neighbors and the accused on trial is sickening.
Chambers stated Hendrix was upset about the attack and said she wanted to set a car on fire. Chambers said he jokingly replied, quote, "If it was me, I'd set the house on fire."
It was an offhanded comment that was not made seriously, and unfortunately the defendant took it seriously, and then that's what then led to her actions.
Chambers said in the early hours of July 29th, he went to the Portland Avenue duplex with Taquida and her sister Tiakayla. He allegedly saw Taquida pour gasoline around the duplex and light the fire.
A fight over a $300 car ended my child's life, and there is no amount of justice that will ever make that right. I can hold on to my faith knowing that
The jury also heard from a digital media specialist with the Rochester Police Department who created a compilation of all the surveillance video that was collected. The defense did not comment after court, and I'm told testimony is expected to wrap up tomorrow.